Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Check the bottom of the container for a symbol. Microwave safe is usually a microwave with some wavy lines on it. If the container has a number 5 on it, it is made from polypropylene, PP, so it is generally considered microwave safe. 5 March 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Well, recycle number 5 is considered to be the microwave safe symbol, but it just means that the heated product will not be deformed in the microwave. Some studies prove that even microwavable safe plastic can cause asthma and hormone disruption, so it is better to substitute plastic containers with glass. 17 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Place Tupperware brand products securely on top shelf of dishwasher where the water will not force them loose. They will melt or warp if they touch the heating elements. For stains, use a baking soda paste.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.